Hello friends, so we have purchased a new refrigerator which is of Samsung company. It's a 2 stars rating, and it's of a RT series which is 363 liters. So let's see what's inside the fridge. Okay. So here you get twin cooling plus, and this is a cooling pad. Means if your light is down for some time, so this will keep your food cool for almost 3 to 4 hours. Okay, these are the vents, frozen vents which are given over here, front vents. And here you get plenty of space, egg trays, then plenty of space to keep your bottles. Even the space over here, you can see it's a good amount of space which is given. And here I am just unboxing this for the first time for you. And so this is a vegetable tray, fruit tray, okay, as per your convenience. So here's some paperwork which has been given. So Samsung brochure in different languages, and also it has 20 years warranty. So this is the ice tray, movable ice maker, which comes with the fridge. As you can see. So movable ice maker. So that's it about today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe.